Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back to my weekly b-boy tutorial. And today I'll be teaching you guys how to do the one-hand cartwheel and also the advanced cartwheel. So if you're new to a b-boy scene, you're just learning and you want some new move and it's easy, this is it. This is the move. Very easy to learn and looks very cool, alright? But before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button, also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video coming out, you're going to get notified. Cool? So without further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. Alright, so the basic for this move is the cartwheel. And if you haven't learned cartwheel, make sure you learn it. And if you haven't seen cartwheel, this is how cartwheel looks like. So that's the basic of the cartwheel. But if you have the cartwheel that looks like this, please make sure you perfected your cartwheel first, which is the first one that I did. And then you can start going to this one-handed cartwheel tutorial. So the concept for the one-handed cartwheel and the normal cartwheel is exactly the same. The difference is just like the name said, you're just using one hand instead of using two, alright? So just gonna apply the concept of cartwheel and now we're gonna use one hand and let's see how it looks. Alright, so there you go, you get yourself the one-hand cartwheel. But before you start doing that, remember to warm up, stretch out first, because if you don't, you're gonna hurt this part very bad. I heard it before, so I know, alright? So make sure you warm up first. Now let's go to the advanced cartwheel. For the advanced cartwheel, same method with the one-hand cartwheel, but this time you need more momentum to go into that cartwheel, alright? The momentum that I usually do is I'm gonna use my right leg is the momentum leg. It's like you're doing the aerial. If you know how to do aerial, then or front flip, that's the same technique actually. So you're gonna use this as the leading leg or the momentum leg. You're gonna swing up, and now you're gonna use your one hand, alright? Only one hand, but this time your hand is just barely touch the ground, alright? You just touch, push, and then quickly bring it up. The difference between the one-hand cartwheel and the advanced cartwheel is when you do the one-hand cartwheel, your hand is always there to support you. So you start the move with one hand, and then until the end, your hand is there. But for the advanced cartwheel, it's a different story, alright? First, you need the momentum, which I said earlier. Your right leg is the momentum leg, and then for your hand you just touch, push, and then quickly bring it up. Cool? So that's a different part. Now let's try the advanced cartwheel and let's see how it looks. There you go guys, the one hand cartwheel and also the advanced cartwheel. Like I said earlier in this video, this move is very easy to learn, and the best part is it looks really dope. So if you just started out b-boy, you want some cool move that you can show off, or if you're a b-boy for a while and you haven't learned this, trust me, master this and put it into your set, you make your set looks really dope. Alright, so that's about it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Cool? So that's about it. I will see you guys next time.